So my GoPro is at 37%, so I'm gonna make the install portion of this video relatively quick. I'm just gonna pull my truck in the driveway here and show you guys. Alright, let's go underneath here and take a look. Obviously this is your flex pipe. So we've got this one bracket here that bolts into, well, it doesn't bolt in, it hangs from one of those rubber hangers here. Then it connects there. Obviously there's the muffler for it. Two more clamps right here. Now the hard part about this install, see if I can't crawl under here a little bit more. The hard part about this install is these rubber brackets back here. So in order to get them both in, it takes a little bit of force both ways. You kind of have to push and pull at the same time to get one of them in, and then with the other one we found that it was easier to kind of cheat a little bit and just yank it really hard and pull it down, and we were able to get it in that. So, if anybody asks, these definitely aren't the tracks that I made when I did my burnout over here. Anyway, today we're gonna do some tests with the new windsock and take a couple of videos of the Gibson exhaust on the truck with the GoPro, because I find the GoPro picks up the noise a lot better than what a phone does. So we're gonna go ahead and just sit this right down in behind the truck like so, and see if we can't angle this in a way that's even. All right, sounds good to me. so this is what I wanted to talk to you guys about yesterday. I kind of just ran out of sunlight. So this pipe down here that leads to the flex pipe actually needs to be cut. If you have a short bed, the pipe that leads out of the flex pipe, the head pipe, needs to be cut 12.5 inches. It's very easy to do. Obviously, you can just use a hacksaw or any common power tool. So the next thing I wanted to talk about is where these hangers are. So that is a stock hanger. You don't have to worry about that one too much. However, on the driver's side, you have to install this bracket. This bracket attaches to the subframe where the spare tire is. Now, I don't have my spare tire in here because I knew it was going to get in the way. However, the kit does come with a spare tire bracket, and what it does is it attaches to, I don't even know because I didn't need it, but it attaches to, I think, on this side of the subframe, and it pushes against the tire to keep the exhaust from touching the tire, so you don't get anything melting. But yeah, you install this bracket right here on the forward facing side of the subframe. Then you put that rubber grommet on, and then you put that hanger on, I guess we could just use it on this side. You could put the hanger on there. One thing to note about these exhaust tips is I have mine set to hang fairly low and further out more, but you can actually take this exhaust and pull it back in, and you can loosen these brackets and actually tilt them up or down. I just happen to like it the way that it was sitting. There's a little bit showing outside of the wheel when you're looking at it, and it's kind of flashy, so it's not too bad. And I think that's basically it. I mean, everything else was fairly straightforward on it. Like I said, the instructions aren't very good because they're in black and white, and they've been taken with like a 1980s flip phone. So we have to do something about these companies giving us instructions like that.